Hi guys, welcome to science class. So this is the lab you're going to be working on while we're doing math, so I won't be able to help you as much, so please use this video as a guide to show you what you're going to be doing. So you learned about density the other day when I was out for class, and you learned about how certain materials, based on their mass, will either float or sink in water. All right, for example, oil is less dense than water, which is why it always floats on top of water. All right, so you're going to be looking at two different materials today. You're going to be looking at gravel, okay, which is almost like little rocks, and cotton balls, okay? So the first question on your paper, give me a minute. So your first question on your paper is you're going to be asked, all right, which contents do you think would work best to make your film canister float? So you're each going to have a film canister. If I put cotton balls in here, do you think it's going to float or sink? All right. And then which ones do you think are going to sink? So you're going to answer these questions on the front. Okay. Then it says, before you begin, measure the volume of your film canister and record it below in millimeters. Now, because this is an irregular shaped object, you guys are going to have to use the water displacement method in order to do this. So remember, to do water displacement method, measure the water where it is now, okay? And then when you place the film canister in, record how much it rises. So if it rises up from 3 to 310, it's 10 milliliters for its volume, okay? Then you're going to flip to the back of your paper, which looks like this. And on the first side, you're going to work with the sinking canister. So which canister is going to sink? So if you say gravel, that's what you're going to fill first, okay? So you're going to fill this film canister with gravel. When you're doing so, place the film canister on this pan, pour the gravel in so we get to recycle the gravel throughout all the different labs today. Okay? If you're doing it with cotton balls, same thing, stuff it with cotton balls. Now, you're going to have to find the mass of your full container. So you may either use your double pan balance, all right, to do so, or I have my electrical scale on my black cart that you may use. Okay? So you're going to find the mass of the full canister, all right? Then you need to find the mass of the empty canister, okay? And that's because I want to find out what the mass of the gravel or the cotton balls are by themselves. So after you find the mass of your full canister, all right, you're then going to subtract how much this empty canister was by itself to find the contents, the mass of the contents within it, okay? Also, you're then going to place this canister filled with either gravel or cotton balls in water to see if it's going to sink or float, okay? Now, you're also going to have to find the volume of the canister with the materials in it. You already got the empty canister on the front, so now you got to see how much it went up with the items in it, okay? And you're going to do this part of the project for both sides, all right? And then you have 3 questions that you need to answer. What did you notice about the volume of the canisters? What did you notice about the mass of the canisters? And what conclusions can you draw about relative density based on this activity? Okay, so you're going to be doing this with partners, all right, during math class today. If you're confused, you may ask me a question, all right, but please try your best to work through it. All right, so you're using what you've learned about mass, volume, and density to complete this activity. All right, please don't forget to draw what your picture looks like of your film canister. All right. Once you are finished with the gravel, right, pour the remaining contents back in the cup and anything that was left in the pan back in the cup for other groups to use. Same with the cotton balls. Do not let the canister float in the water too long that the cotton balls get soaked. I only have so many for each group. Okay? Other than that, all right, you guys should be good to go. All right? Try your best. I hope you learned something about density today in your density lab. Also, directions are on here if you ever get stuck. All right, have fun today. Good luck.